Mamene Nhyira kobo quickly. Na afi yini nkomo. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning.
Apom to say.
Nyame hu ye mobo.
Adom ne mpa boy ho ye wakoye oba nya be ma. Ahode am de ba wo so no ase. O ye bubu ma pre. Honorable, na ompasua no so Sanso school no. Excavators no esi ho no. Police for ye checks wo ho a. The reports in the say Galamsey air costs around the one. I mean, what is happening? Now, what is actually happening over there?
Eddie kind of met that was na Maxia Asante Manton, for Dr. Mwapani, and all the party executives and everybody, Motia Funina. Me who I didn't know about social media. And to the first person I was sending a one man, Dr. Mwapani, and then Okata said I should take action. Immediately, and my police, with fair police, district police commander, and I'm other people come home, together with the low loader, no more confirm machines to be able to be answering on Fambram and Mr. And see, fortunate or unfortunate, well, I'll move on. And a national security, 9 months, and other security personnel, a becca who no more, a far excavators, and no more moving in our motherphone.
And so far, no, as MC Ewo area, police checkpoint, the police commander and the police personnel or more hono ain't me a mau briefing as head of security say suku dan bi si wo machi kwa baby o mo ye checks no enu 200 meters ye di Galamsey ewo ho o ma mebo wa mane MC want that
men correct o kakra
okay
baby a hono ade ne wono se obi am ma information am ko kucha I think so. What they often are doing now, and you wouldn't know, sir. That is exactly what they are doing then. And they are something man who also. But so for what can't go Rema, they'll be not getting a contract in all year. Many kind of Hawaii go here. Next year.
But honorable, we have the footages and the videos over there. What should be a police footage? Any baby a Jumai Koswa.
I police, you know, I don't know video. No. So if I'm trying to be corrected, I don't know all yet video. Police for call, I don't know.
But honorable, video ne Kosuno a chan. You could see the police officers on duty. And then Galamsey no so air koso directly. And to say nye bibi kura no ayemfa so mo patrol team mo twem. Patrol team is supposed to say omo be hwese bi bonifusem koso be bia within the territory. One betumi confront. Now omo gina ho. And I believe a patrol team because omo pick up this one. Omo gina ho na Galamsey no air koso omo nchen say ya and they never went there to ask until national security be free baby abe sa arrest no. I'm surprised, honorable.
Thank you very much. But I'm not here to defend anybody. But instructions I buy from the regional minister, no, me see to it the action that they wanted me to do, no, yeah. And you know that is that. But apart from that, yeah, I'm not here on your big platform to defend anybody. It's an action I can't take, you know. And one of the city.
So, as head of security, are you convinced with police officers' attitude towards this particular crime? Let me put it that way.
May that say, police are more barrier and it's and say, I spotted so many boundaries. A bit of almost in the quiet. A bit of Obuasi. Because there were police posts, I will promise her under the police boundary. I'm more manager reduction, but I'm more reported to our home. And most of them, no, the other was a police agent, but they are no manager reduction. I'm in the district there. But
they work together.
Fine, yes, they work together. But me as Musa chairman, no, and I know say most of them, no, you see them on our roads, but no one see you from now. If you move to the dinner, carry on the face, no more just I don't know. And now say because I'm not now say every week Diano make situational report from the district commander. And you know, bia no almost baby, and now say bia almost patrol baby and almost ho and almost your majima. But that one is the main administrative executive, but that woman.
But after this incident, I mean, days Kakraba, have you verified Senasa Police for free?
If I say,
have you verified baby Anasa Police for free so far?
Oh, not at all, because yeah, for 1 o'clock for your operation. Not police behind now. Except police, I am almost other almost around the 190 and machines now. 9 months in national security now about security services about.
And when you look at this particular footage, say maybe the police crano, our more honocrano, able to me, I aware allegedly. Will be aware of what is happening because machines embedded on better and they decided not to go there. And in Rezi, a matter of concern, say, Obesha say here police if one and I war. A meme the no one say a be quiet the any be the becan say be ya ye be find these police officers say because more abetted that crime and mrabe to me omedi. I mean, honorable, is that not the logic behind this particular incident?
You and I were not there. And again, almost perform investigations into air courses. And to know, let's wait and hear what they will come out with. To know,
how often an Amunya Galamsey incidents we were area?
Oh, sir, I had your boss there. So many. So many. Even last week, Saubesha, around that estate area for me. 9 months the some of the machines needed. And you know, sometimes, as municipal, no, apart from 9 months, apart from blue water gas, we know it's an assembly. There are season for pumping machines near there, what the chairman knows what assembly. And you know, sometimes when we tell our people to go together with the blue water gas, I'm almost support. So I'm almost the as we speak, you see the idea for bed 2 3 weeks. So be my phone got over there.
Then I'm easy.
Water pumps.
And on coin.
And on a cocoa no how the buy.
Okay. But previous ones, the Monchi excavators we are.
Apart from the excavators, national security better and so far there.
Na community na nkasa so a response to Galamsey issues na ewo hot saying because omuntimi njes be wura kromu saa na yakɔhye baabi school dan ankwada akɔ school mu no me dwene ho ase menti ase kakra
so no you were do group ho you were assembly members ho assembly member ho no ho e from time for ewo ho so if they don't bring it up.
But do you engage them? Do you call for it? Because who were previous precedents said Galamsey no cost area party. I think say a stakeholder involvement. Why engage you or more asking them to help you fight it?
Yes, as an assembly, no. Ya from mama last year. Baby ana e honye no ye call reclamation na ye die no omo tena ahem for tena say. Edie nya wo ho. This year that was last 2 months or last month. Your friend, baby, Galamsey, what be a different na him by. So your person, you're being mom. If you are the ball, confession, into a more, you're never that Galamsey will be an intimate measure, and of course, me and them. Upon all what we are doing, the microphone on him, our phone arm 1 year. And you are there, you have to see a point, your phone. Of course, president is the brave by. And directed with the by my end to do Galamsey will see my mom for your friend is and steal money for any other things. So well, And so you know a photo until you fry him up when I know what to work a green farming. No. You know what not to know on my acna. But the day you walk 5 be or more pumping matter and I'm not the baba. It needs a constant patrolling. And then you know and now you saw because of Pega, the next day no you can know baby so.
Honorable. Wada imagine so kakrama me na Captain Retired Kwame Jabari Ashanti Regional Security Coordinator na owa homa no so Honorable Gina so ma me kakra na yenhwe said ye ase ya aye difficult ama the strategy they are about to help you with. Captain, good morning.
Good morning.
Honorable, I'll come back to you. Meba outside. Captain, good morning.
Good morning.
Na pomu ye de. Updates on Sanso Obuasi issue no saying yate why arrest be nipa do was saying and the excavators now watching no so far he and the who owns those excavators.
I think Saturday na video we call viral saying for year minor or Sanso.
Okay.
Primary and DHS actually and the regional minister say to pass a correct confirmation on the intervention. Into a correct which I think there were about 15 suspects after interrogation. Not to drive a sign. They had no business at the mining area there. No more after a few bear on so they added to it. But later here, say they are just residents who are staying close to the place. They are not part of it. We are 13 people. Now, one prince, one Boatin. Honestly, a chain on Papana side in there also.
Prince Boatin on a site in the Yanidia.
Yes, honestly, a chain on man also found the chain on it. Naimos for Cassian Cassia from Brankai. Now, prosecution warranty. I did see how much it may go doing crime. Me and Gassam, let me complain, I could claim a statement concerning operation area prosecution. I shall see what in Kai Honors.
It's good that this one, when you that Prince Boatina or only site, but ya nekobani say ya. Now, ya arrest, ya domoko, ya prosecute and there are no updates. The Inter-Americans are say there are people who are named, say ya kochi chibi, ya nipa 3, nipa say. But at the end of the day, no, the results of that process, no, ya ensure that say nipa ne ye beja no kwem. Say to say no, other na ya mumma updates on what is actually happening. Na yenku hu di ebesi actually.
Updates, say CIA actually the more police force, they have a way to prosecute their cases. Sometimes they can portray a statement to help them be able to prosecute the case. They have to come to Kumasi to try to look at the scene. Then the prosecution will start. So most of the bank common and share the name of do the money update on how it's going, but and year prosecution and I think prosecution it's inside the police for the prosecution. So sometimes it's difficult to give current update, but couldn't say justice, so the guy needs ruling. So sometimes, it takes time for such judgments come out and as a prosecution customer. But most of the time, so the issue I want to say, a viral video, sana, sometimes on tongue for them because I want to say, issue not viral and told me to enter sometimes so what put site, so from afar, down washing a paper. So those are the challenges. Those that we pick up, they go through the process and then they hand over to the police for prosecution.
Prince Boatin or your wine or your nipa
or a resident in Obuasi. It's a resident at Obuasi. A resident at Obuasi. And he was able to count. I think regional minister director said, "You're going to attack at Amraso." And a team will be visiting the site tomorrow. I think the school for no vacation, so we want to use that period to reclaim the place before the school people come back. But investigation is ongoing at that place over there. It's a reclamation.
But Prince no confirm or permits and answer the man that right to go there. Onishi. And Adibia me who quite surprising to me. Your police officers are share the video. I mean, so when you access to it, or me very close to the scene. Baby, I didn't koswa. I mean, woman attempt to be as they are going to actually find out DNA koso e won finfini wono. Who are these police officers? More is our investigation.
The Jama regional commander for Ashanti staff. So on your side, you know, mine. And I will regional commander around the Baba also issue.
But time I'm going to arrest and then answer pretty for Nefrio.
There be no.
Okay. How serious is the Galamsey issue in Ashanti region? Because Nancy video say any other say Ashanti region. Just yesterday, the BFM we Eastern region could be, but Ashanti region keeps. I mean, it seems it's rising. Okay.
Ashanti region. 1 hour. I drive it through about 10 districts.
Right, yeah.
Good. Oko Western Norfolk. A bit takes you almost about 10 hours to drive through 10 districts. Because the districts have been bang. And he said, be honor to Galamsey plus one. But said, if you're with Galamsey, you better drive your honor. A bet check. A bet take you hours. But I say, do be in the next 30 minutes. We also do about 45 minutes. Uka so ko no we be at 1 hour. Uka so ko Joshua 1 hour. Uka so ko Busman 30 minutes. And the closeness of the people to the places, makes it easier for people to report, which we are happy about it. But then Galamsey the cost for other places. But just that I'll challenge you so called Western North. Galamsey a cost for honor, but Sebi. All the co between my camera call home, also 3 or 4 hours as we do the Omega Galamsey. But that's what we want people to report and we'll pick up those people. And the issue is there. The quickness and the fastness that we respond to the issue is what I want people to talk about. Because the cultural video back out within 2 hours, those people will be picked up.
You're happy with that, and usually you commend them. But the issue has to do with the first question I asked you. Say, mochi omuria, na manfo so pese hu results no akosi say nipa no kra de ne ko ebi kra yenya de na tum feedback no na beba nkrofo hu say adwuma mo ye no emfaso aba so, and that's why I was asking you say adan ni entry. Yeah.
You don't go hand over to Special Investigation Unit, IGP Special Investigation Unit, and Rama Hot statement, the concurrent for trade statement. The Mujuma, maybe Mujuma. I call you be a Jumano.
Namoso, or Mamu feedback, and no Kai or Mose. A handy Kai or Mose.
You work and do a honor.
Yeah,
another department, someone to us or to work and no. But though they give us feedback, but my work at that point has ended.
Well understood, but the mention is obey me a prompt to they are supposed to bring it out. Say, and also be mama for your confidence, security architecture anymore. Engineer or more leaning out my feedback. And be mama for who say, Juma Moyeno. Aha, Yakusi say.
And Ram can say, no, Menya, a Quanyani, Naimos, operating director, and API. And me can't change to the Senate, same way they are also deep, they might not be pressure to police for us now. And yet fast in my Senate, the outcome of it we can have. So, and come out with detail. So, we know that the law is slow, but it will pretend a bit more.
Right. Richard, I think one Richard, I've forgotten the surname. Lake Bosomchi issue, no? When you're not,
Richard is at large.
At large, saying
at large, you say, with Johnny.
What Timmy Johnny?
Genesis, no more. I reckon the phones are really more need to attract him. I don't do so phones. So We're trying to track him, but I think he has abandoned his phone and all those things that can let us track him now. But we are still on him. We'll get him. I'm telling you, we'll get him.
Na enya better say obi a wadwane sa no ye be declare no wanted ni nyina ya hwere no.
I think that's another approach. What do you think? So many regional minister do unkomo.
Yeah.
So we can see how we can get a picture of him. And let the police declare him wanted.
Sure. Na ye nyina ye hu nanim because din no ye hu ye nim nanim bi kra no machia no wofufuo joint bi ase. Na ne mayi masutire so hu. Na finally MC ewo issue, especially when it comes to the security architecture no, so we movie around the petrol ne sa normal or any area on na aye a bit difficult kakra. Sanso hono area no na me ni din komo mi so da so wa homa no so kra. And or can say police na say omo ye petrol ne ade, but we all know moko hono de na mo steady ehuna obetumi e de aboa no kakra. I mean in terms of say obe advice say obetu ho anamo ye.
When there was some about MC amane or idea because you do honum no. Na was not police for crime omo mo order da. Me effort to us well that Costilla honorable MC or
yeah.
Who video ma police we the time honum. Ne cost support chomo for ye no. But MC aware say be over any problem be or reporting my necessity with coordination of nine motion will come in with anything that is provided. So
that is
we are always on standby. We are always a call away. I did a brono concerning security in Galamsey, not only Galamsey. We are always a call away to cover access there.
Yes.
Okay. Captain Mamena Sianope. Captain retired Kwame Jabari, Ashanti Regional Security Coordinator now in Ghana. Honorable First Laugh.
Yes.
So what say they are ready to assist you, because I was highly disappointed seeing police officers close to baby I don't know ekoso no a yehunre no na akoba ne sei no.
Me correct the kakra.
Yeah.
Man ka say yenya emwa me say it's a say we are all my year we na view no. E was a police constantly no omo patio but man ka say yenya emwa yenya.
Right. Obuasi issue no. I think say production so aye bibi kakra about it. I just want you to be on it na tie bibi kakra from that. Na what my response? Odi, what is it about Obuasi? Obuasi.
Michia MC on the minua ba prekope no.
Right.
Onim. And Obuasi akono wontimi nko. Ontimi nko.
Galamsey
ontimi nko. She dare not.
Adey.
Obuasi
said they
ono so obeko Galamsey
head of security.
Jabari munyi
and Jabari
munyi ontimi nko.
Certainty. Yeah, why are you raising that?
Masa. Me Obuasi boy you.
What is it that
and
you can't
let
handle?
Me tell you, Obuasi ye ka Galamsey and we must say Nancy areas be ababeje the name of headquarters of Galamsey.
Yeah.
But Obuasi Galamsey headquarters. But the only thing say na one ensure say near the adeno na ebini ho.
Okay.
But recently no I had too vigorous. Omudi refie ni ade ni suku mu te say de sanso de ye ekoso no. But the am pese say omo pese sa Galamsey we no omo fight dia any say 9 months no omo station omo ewo Obuasi ye. And I to so biem no so no. Say omo pese omo ni Obuasi for no enya issue a. As I say omo make sure say e maybe promises bi a omo de ma omo. Say omo aban e ba omo be ma omo Anglo Gold abandon concession no ma ye adwuma no. No ma kwakoye.
Yeah.
No, so that omo who say omo men nsuo omo men fie omo men school.
Okay.
So that I know they be okay. But let me tell you, men kaya busuafo ya. On the 6th February 2016, Galamsey for na Anglo Gold team soldier for police for security. Omo kwa monitor the activity of Galamseyers. I will be a for Kodo.
Yeah, make I.
I know na papa bi a friend John Usu ano ye PRO e de e manglo good ofa mu wu ye omo ye say omo ko attack team na e ko ye no and unfortunately car ran over Mr. John Usu na me fa ne currency eto su biem 2025 ya 18th and 19th January 2025 ya and now boys no yes say come invade Anglo Gold site.
Yeah.
Now Makwa Galamsey because of promises from government. Okaya. And now gun exchange.
Yeah.
Okay. And nipa dozens and I hear a woman.
Yeah.
And he say ye ka Galamsey Obuasi na me nua bayi ese obe fight ya enya possible.
Na danger no muntimi danger because even the security coordinator cannot.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. That's what I'm saying. Is Mimi Obuasi boy. The people living in Obuasi no about 60 to 70%. Their lives depends on the
Galamsey no. Honorable First Love. Honorable Otemenga. Right. Utie asemia producer in fact ono ye Obuasi ehon wanyini onim Obuasi angaza enti ebeye den ma wana say experience kakra wanya since you came to office no ebeye den wo hu
o say agin nsem
me ba mi say ono abona angasa ebeye den wo hu
so the mini abema na time of course first na alobia neta enyema na maye no na indigenous omo work for ha no omo yo omo Galamsey bu ko underground no ma ko yo omo Galamsey and say then this your friend is saying Alobia no was introduced and omo na do omo ho adima omo ye president the initiative to buy ya said the exit time no na so no 8 anya me ya adima ya wade ya ye bedi omo after helicopter be ko omo sasa na president be a community mining ama Obuasofo na omaye and he said it, he made mention of it. He said I just say president ni pebe bi emane omo ye and again osa can say president ni promises our the ma Galamsey yan kan you say no Obuasofo na ye Galamsey around across Ghana, baby omo ye Galamsey. So the president made the measures about. So person will look for a concession, go to Minerals Commission, get your concession and you no now catastrophe. But this is the case and case Obia man excavator so baby I say few na odi Galamsey. And until the many abema na kan yen me say government and e so our yes say because now say ya no Anglo Gold and all the communities are across the 6 enclaves in na yes say your friend was CB Jabonso Anglo Gold the person who release the ma all the enclaves communities na come baba now it be almost 30% and that's and so we are on it. And one day we wake up one day. Now you have Mr. Galamsey and the Obia responsible mining.
And the head radio and I just said the Jabari kind, Miji said near working very difficult with Jabari and the national I say Omutimi Bemau and yes I I hope that is what you want to say.
Wait, I've not said that, but the American say papa Ebaba they said the Anglo Gold because of releasing my community and America say let me a story one day. And not forgetting honorable Jabari.
Yeah, I get your point. I get where you sit now and how difficult it is to accept and actually pronounce the American. But the reality is that a better diama with wow security need to handle the issue.
And then they own
Honorable Jones, I
get it.
Because when they are in positions of such,
I understand.
They have been too economical with truth.
Yeah.
Adiana Etieno, Minia Bao, no, first akun we untumi nko enya wo ko
ɛno deɛ sweetheart ya wo na
akun we enya wo ko
no was so na kan nti ye nya yema honorable benefit of the doubt
community mine na nam so ministers no ko bi say ko say
so far enya no mo ye Galamsey
say no mo be di o mo afin shada na
so what
say enya start masa ade na nya ye honorable
enti enne in fact what we saw enya de efe enya de nika. And then please, what can say we between handle there? We hope say the next videos are you who say ye chain for not rather one more such impunity ye hui. Yet I was here no pay. Right. Honorable First Lava Pia Kenny. Obuasi wet
Sanso wan kasano. Sanso wan kasano. Untimi stop
oh, there be honorable so obey.
Mamika say chiro. Ebrebia mamika tembi chiro. Ebrebia etwemuno. Na Sanso uka chire Sanso ni say abrochire da was mi eja na Sanso so ode.
Cobra. Also wait to me.
Problem is so
that was what say mama no benefit.
Problem is Jabari so
me say e dey amesa akọ me nya bibie mu a eno de ese me ohun eno de ese anu me de oye oba no beto nchen on say ne no aye bibie o anti enya hwe
Jabari kura nim say they cannot enti eno na du ba bia no mu nyina compromise no because Jack ade no enti me yen fa yen hunyim na fa yen ko e no bia nya bi ni
it's true.